Hi guys! Welcome to another video of RV Realty PH. For today's house tour, it's very exciting kasi isa to sa mga hottest properties namin as of the moment. So, we're inside Vista Verde, Cainta, Rizal. So, familiar naman kayo with Vista Verde. It's along Felix Avenue. It's one of the more exclusive villages in Cainta, Rizal. The best thing about Vista Verde Executive Village is it's very family-oriented. Ang ganda ng community nito, buhay na buhay. Kasi meron tayong schools like Lorenzo Ruiz de Manila School. We also have Berea Art School. Meron din tayong Faith Christian School inside Vista Verde. So, syempre, sa mga families na naghahanap ng bahay, schools are very important, diba? Bukod dyan, ano pang importante? Maraming kainan. Sa mga mahilig kumain tulad namin. So, meron tayong a lot of restaurants and coffee shops just inside the village. Meron tayong T-Tone. We also have Walk It Out, yung nagte-trending sa Let's Eat Pare na parang local version ni Din Tai Fung. Yan, meron tayo lahat niyan dito. And then, paglabas mo ng village, meron na tayong Robinson Supermarket. And then, meron na rin tayong McDonald's and Jollibee right outside. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Tara! We're super excited to show you this property kasi ito yung isa sa pinaka hottest property natin ngayon in our listings. Kasi for as low as 500,000 pesos, you can already own this amazing duplex. Actually, dalawang duplex siya. So, total of 4 units. And just last weekend, meron na tayong client na kumuha ng isang unit. So, we only have 3 units left for this amazing duplex. And amazing deal, 500,000, you already have a house. Para ka nang nagre-rent to own yan sa bangko. Ayan. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Silipin na natin. So, this property stands on a 120 square meter lot area with a 185 square meters floor area. So, napakaganda nung size natin when it comes to lot size and floor area. And then, we also have 2 carport. Yung carport natin covered, partially covered siya. So, ibig sabihin, pagbaba ng driver or yung passengers nyo, it's very safe. Kahit medyo maulan, hindi mababasa agad, diba? So, that's very important also. Ngayon, this is our main door. Before we enter, let's appreciate, napakaganda ng ating main door. Ayan, so, it's wood, and then meron siyang black accent dito. Ayan, so, and it's side door. Actually, this is a side door. One advantages of having a side door instead of a front door is pagbukas ng pinto nyo, hindi kita agad yung bahay nyo, diba? Kasi, syempre, gusto mo ba yung kita agad na nasa labas yung bahay mo? So, added safety feature siya. And before we enter, on your left side, meron pa tayong spare area dito. Pwede natin gawing garden. Kasi this one's open. Yung papasok kasi ng main door natin, covered siya, kaya maganda. So, dito, pwede natin itong gawing garden. So, napakaganda niyang pwestuhan ng mga plants. Okay, so pasok tayo. Ayan. Uy, nandito na pala kayo. So, this is our receiving area / sala. Kung mapapansin nyo, napakaganda nung natural lighting natin because we have this huge windows overlooking our parking area. And then, ang kagandahan dyan, na-open din to. So, pwede tayong meron tayong fresh air from outside na meron naman siyang screen eh. So, parang actually, windows siya, pero may screen. Para meron kang fresh air going inside. Although, syempre, option nyo pa rin if you want to air condition your sala or living room area. Okay? Ayan. So, punta naman tayo. This is gonna be your kitchen. So, imagine niyo na lang kung pwede na tayo maglagay ng 4-seater or 6-seater na dining table dito. Ang kagandahan, the biggest advantage, meron tayong bar-type kitchen katabi ng ating dining area. Kasi it's very important na may connectivity or madaling mag-communicate between dining and kitchen. Usually, kapag may bisita kayo, you have to entertain your guest while doing the food or while preparing the food, diba? That's very important. So, we're right here in your kitchen. This is your proper kitchen. So, kung makikita nyo on your right side, this is the bar type. At least, ito yung lalagyanan nyo ng food when you have guests or kung nandito yung buong pamilya. Dito nyo lang ilalatag yung mga ulam, mga pagkain, and then they can get the food here. Diba? Ang ganda, ang laking bagay ng may bar-type kitchen. And then kung makikita nyo, napakarami nating modular kitchen cabinets. So, perfect siya para sa everyday talaga na family. Kasi usually naman kailangan talaga natin maraming cabinets. And lahat ng kitchen cabinets natin, soft close. Ang paboritong parte natin sa kitchen. Yan. And then this one is for the oven. And then you also have a provision for a range hood here. And then going here, this is your beautifully black laminated na black matte pala, sorry. Matte black na faucet. Yan, ganda. Gandang contrast niya sa brown and white. Okay? And then, yung ibang cabinets natin already have, kumbaga, it's ready na for your utensils and then for your plates. May pull-outs na to. So, yung owner is very thoughtful of including that kasi sa totoo lang kailangan naman talaga ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino ng ganyan. And it's very thoughtful of the owner to put in a pantry cabinet. Ayan, andyan po ang aming mga gamit. Ayan. Pero technically, this is a pantry cabinet. So, lahat ng mga stocks nyo, groceries, pwede nyo ilagay dito. Hindi siya kita lahat agad. So, very well managed yung magiging itsura ng ating kitchen. And then, here, you can put in your big ref here. 6 feet, 7 feet na ref na 2-door or single door. Kasang-kasya dito. Okay? Perfect for a family of 4, 5, or even 6. So, welcome to our service area. Ayan. So, on this side, this is our laundry area. So, ready na rin siya. Dito yung, dun yung ating washer dryer or dito. Actually, optional nyo naman kung anong mas type nyo. Pero mukhang dito siya. Open pa tayo for now. Hindi pa covered. Pero you can put in a flat roofing sheet. Yung mga clear lang. Para at least kahit umuulan, your service area is 100% usable. Yan. So, meron tayong laundry sink and faucet here. Tapos dito yung washer dryer. And then on the other side, on your left side, ito yung pwede nating service kitchen. Yan. Napakaluwag na ito. So, lahat ng mga lutuin, pag may handaan, or just everyday. Yung everyday na niluluto nyo, gusto nyo naman yung proper kitchen nyo is very tidy, very neat. So, kaya meron tayong service kitchen. So, yan. Balik na tayo sa loob. So, another big advantage of this house is meron tayong bedroom sa ground floor. So, pasok tayo. So, this is the bedroom on the ground floor. So, this is around probably 4 or 5 square meters. Yan. And ito yung perfect for your mga grandpa, grandma, yung mga ating mga parents. Pag nagstay yun sa atin, syempre alam naman paakyatin pa natin ng second floor. They already have their own bedroom here. Yan, meron ding built-in closet. Enough closet space for ating lola. or ating mga nanay, lola ng ating mga anak. Ayan. So, very comfy. Meron na rin tayong provision for window type aircon and of course, a sliding glass window. Ayan. So, after our first bedroom, of course, we have our first toilet and bath. Ayan. So, maluwag yung toilet and bath natin dito sa ground floor, ha? Ayan. And, actually, ito yung pinaka-trademark ng toilet natin. Parang ano ba to? This is the design. Anyway, meron na rin tayong shower. We have the water closet and of course, the lavatory and sink. Ito yung pinaka-CR or toilet and bath ng ating ground floor na bedroom. So, before heading upstairs, ayan, ito yung ating napakagandang staircase. Meron tayong tempered glass na ginamit dito. It's very aesthetic approved. So, pwedeng pang Instagram. Ayan. So, yung ilalim ng ating stairs, pwede natin gawing storage. Ayan. Kailangan sa bahay talaga may storage. So, let's go to the second floor. So, kung napansin nyo, napakaganda ng staircase natin. It's very Asian. It's solid wood planks. Yan. Then, ito yung ating landing area sa second floor. Bukas na ba yung ilaw natin? Yes! Actually, towards the whole property, meron na tayong pin lights everywhere. Ngayon, pwede kayo maglagay ng center decorative lighting or decorative lighting sa mga major areas. Yan. So, this one is very spacious. Magpapalit lang kami ni BJ. Papakita natin. Meron tayong living area or living room sa second floor, which is genius. Ba't ko sinabing genius? Usually, the two bedrooms and the master's bedroom, nandyan yung mga anak nyo, ito yung kwarto nyo, meron kayong sala, meron kayong family area. Yung bonding nyo, dito karamihan mangyayari. Kung hindi man sa master's bedroom, dito yun. Kasi before they go down, dadaan sila dito. Napakadami ng pwede natin gawin dito. Pwede tayo maglagay ng couch, pwede tayo maglagay ng TV on the other side, or even a projector. So, pwede nyong movie room to. Yan. Let's check the two bedrooms first. So, this bedroom is around 2x4, 8 square meters. So, spacious enough for kids. Meron din tayong sliding glass window. Yan, na pwede natin buksan kasi may screen naman. So, it's very safe sa mosquitoes. We also have a provision for a window type aircon. And then, napakarami ng kanilang closet space, di ba? Ayan. Siguro naman kakasya na lahat ng damit ng inyong mga anak dito. Ayan, napakarami. Actually, pwede kayong, kung marami kayo, you're on the bigger side of the family, pwede kayong maglagay ng double deck dito and another double deck to the other bedroom. So, kung 4 anak nyo, that's one idea. Let's go into the... Yan. Yan. So, this is the third bedroom. So, it's almost identical as the second bedroom. So, yan, kung mapapansin nyo, halos parehong-pareho lang. Size, yung laki ng cabinet, and of course, the sliding windows and the provision for the window type aircon. Ayan, so ito yung common, let's head into the common toilet and bath here in the second floor. Ayan. So it's very spacious for kids. And of course, meron na rin siyang bidet. Ayan. Actually, napansin ko ngayon sa mga bagong developer, lalo yung mga very thoughtful of the buyers, nilalagyan na talaga nila ng bidet. Kasi sa totoo lang, pangangailangan na siya ngayon. Nagtatabo pa rin, yes. Kami sa bahay, nagtatabo pa rin. Pero, it's a big plus kapag may bidet na yung toilet and bath. Meron na rin tayong provision for water heater. Yan. So, hindi nyo na kailangan mag-kettle. Ayan o, tignan nyo naman. Alagang-alaga yung mga toilet and bath fixtures natin. Nakatakip pa. Ngayon, let's go into the master's bedroom. Yan. So, this is the master's bedroom. It's very big. Siguro mga ano to, mga 15 square meters. Ang laki niya. Yan. So, dito malamang ilalagay si bed. Si queen size bed or si king size bed goes here. Meron na rin tayong provision for window type aircon. Kung mapapansin nyo, on your rightmost side, meron tayong napakalaking closet na merong full size floor to ceiling na mirror. Ayan, laki oh. Diba? So, sa mga misis nyo, ito na yung regalo nyo. Full-size mirror. Hindi na kayo magkukulang. Diba? Lahat na ng pag-aayos pwede nilang gawin dito. Ayan. Pero malaki rin siya. Actually, left and right side siya. On the other side of this master's bedroom, pwede kayong maglagay dito ng dresser or makeup area para mas mahalin pa kayo ng inyong mga misis dito. Sit down sila dito, ganyan-ganyan. Bukod sa napakalaki mong mirror, meron pa sila dito. Approve ka dyan. And then, you also have your own toilet and bath. Yan. So, maluwag din yung toilet and bath ng ating masters. And of course, it's complete. Kapareho rin ng ating mga previous na toilet and bath. Now, let's head into the balcony. Right now, we're at the balcony. Kung makikita nyo, napakaganda rin yung design. It's very modern, pero a touch of Asian. Pero this one is not just for aesthetics. Itong mga metal balusters na parang wood. So, this one is actually para mabawasan yung init or yung afternoon sun. At least mga 50% will be blocked off by this. So, napakalaki ng use nito para ma-block yung afternoon sun. And you can enjoy your coffee here or your me time with your wife or with your husband here. Yan. So, napakaganda ng ating view. Diba? So, meron pa tayong glass side dito. Yung glass side yung balcony natin. Yan. Quick recap lang tayo guys for this house tour. So, this is a duplex inside Vista Verde Executive Village. Napakaganda po nitong property na to. Hindi nyo akakalain na 500,000 lang ang down payment nito. And, we only have 3 units left. Dalawang duplex po ito. So, nabenta na po natin last weekend yung isa, and hopefully you get to buy the last 3 remaining units. Yan. So, this stands on a 120 square meter lot area with the floor area of 185. Meron po tayong 4 bedrooms. We also have 3 toilet and bath. Yan. So, we have 2 carport, and then we also have the ground floor bedroom and of course the service area, which is very important. asking price for this property is just 9.5 million pesos. Pero ang kagandahan po dito, the reservation is just 50,000 to secure your unit. And then after 30 days, the required down payment is just 500,000 pesos. Kung nagtatanong po kayo kung magkano ang magiging monthly natin sa bangko, it's around 69,000 for 20 years. Pero it's like renting your own property. Parang rent-to-own na siya. We will also help you with the bank financing. So the owner is have a very good relationship with Security Bank. Yeah. So we will help you with the bank financing also. So if you have any more questions, you can contact us on the number below. And then if you're an OFW, we also have Viber and WhatsApp number. Same number po yan. Please don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel. So maraming salamat and see you on the next one.